In this guide, we'll walk you through how to recover deleted photos after deleting from recently deleted, whether you have a backup or not. Part 1. How to recover deleted photos after deleting from recently deleted without backup. If you don't have any backup on iCloud or iTunes, you can still retrieve deleted pictures by using a reliable iPhone data recovery tool like iPhone Photo Recovery. Step 1. Launch the software on your computer after installation and choose the Recover from iOS device mode. Then, plug your iPhone into the computer using a USB cable and trust the computer on your iPhone as prompted. Step 2. Tap the Start Scan button to start scanning files on your iPhone. Once finished, it will display all the iPhone content in different categories. Step 3. Click Camera Roll on the left panel and preview and tick off the photos you want to recover. Next, hit the Recover button at the lower right corner to recover them to your computer. Part 2. How to get pictures back after deleting from recently deleted from backup. If you previously backed up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes, the chances of successfully recovering deleted photos will be higher. This section will explain how to recover photos after deleting from recently deleted from backups using different methods. 2.1. How to restore photos after deleting from recently deleted without data loss. Coolmaster iPhone Data Recovery allows you to extract and recover deleted photos directly from iTunes or iCloud backups without resetting your iPhone or losing current data. What's more, it also allows you to preview all the backup photos on a computer before recovery. Restore from iTunes backup. Step 1. After installing the program on your computer, run it and choose Recover from iTunes backup file. Select a backup file from the displayed list and tap Start Scan to continue. If you cannot find the wanted backup file, click the Select button to pick the iTunes backup file from other customized folders. Step 2. After that, check Photos and Albums on the data selection interface and hit Start Scan again. Step 3. When it finishes scanning, choose Albums or Photos on the left sidebar and preview all the image thumbnails. Now, tick off the desired photos and click the Recover to Computer button to save them to your computer. Restore from iCloud backup. Step 1. Launch iPhone Data Recovery on your computer and select the Recover from iCloud option. Sign into your iCloud account to access your backup files. Step 2. In the next window, choose the Albums folder and click Next. The software will then scan all the photos in the backup. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, you can preview and select the photos you want to recover. Click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. 2.2. How to retrieve photos after deleting from recently deleted via iTunes backup. However, it's important to note that this method will overwrite all the existing data on your current iPhone. Note: you should turn off the Find My iPhone option to successfully restore the deleted photos from an iTunes backup file. Step 1. Connect another iPhone to the computer and launch the latest version of iTunes if it doesn't open automatically. Step 2. Tap the iPhone icon when it appears in the iTunes window and choose Restore Backup under Summary. Step 3. Pick the latest backup file on the pop-up window and hit the Restore button. Step 4. After restoration, disconnect your iPhone from the computer and open the Photos app. You will find the deleted photos on your device. 2.3. How to recover deleted photos after deleting from recently deleted with iCloud Backup. If you've enabled iCloud Backup, you can restore photos by resetting your iPhone and choosing to restore from an iCloud backup during setup. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Step 2. Set up your iPhone again, and on the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Log into your Apple ID and choose the backup that contains your deleted photos. Step 4. Complete the setup and wait for the data to be restored.